All right, guys, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we're gonna mix this together. And you wanna get something to place on top of your cup and set it aside. 2 cups of flour, a little salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yogurt. And you're gonna get that yeast that's been sitting for 5 minutes. Just pour that in there. And we're gonna mix this together to make a dough, like so. And once you get into a ball, we're gonna set that aside. Put a plate or a towel over it. Let it set for 30 minutes. Take the top off or a tile. You see, you want your dough to look spongy like this. Put a little flour down on your counter. And you're gonna put the dough in the flour and just roll it around. Also, you're gonna need a pizza pan. Coat it with a little oil. Then we're gonna take that dough and put it on that pan, and we're gonna spread it all the way out with our hands, just like this. Make sure you get it all the way to the edge of your pan. And once you have it like this, a few more taps, we're gonna get some tomato sauce or pizza sauce. I'm just gonna brush that on, get it all over the dough like so. Then you wanna get you any type of cheese. We're using a piece of cheese here. But you can use anything you have at hand and just sprinkle it on all around the pizza and just get it on there nicely covered. Then we're using yellow bell pepper and just decorate the pizza however, which way you want. We added mushrooms, a few more. And also we have red onions because red onions, guys, brings out the flavor in any food. And we're using here turkey pepperoni. Just decorating it all aligned, looking nice and pretty. Like so, like that. And also we will be adding some chopped black olives, or you can use green olives. Just put that all around the pizza like so. And here comes the best part, guys. I think all pizzas should have freshly grated Parmesan. Just take that and grate it all around the pizza. Just get it snowflake all around the pizza. And then you're gonna put this bad boy in the oven. Since it's dough, we're gonna bake it for 8 to 12 minutes like so. And if you want it extra crispy, you can leave it a little longer. And just get you a pizza cutter and just cut your pieces. And voila, you're ready to serve. That looks so good, guys. And that looks way better than any Papa John's or Domino's pizza. Bon appetit, guys. Till next video, keep it cooking.